So the other day I posted this picture and people really liked my hair. So here's the tutorial. So first of all, I wanted to talk about a little bit of the science to do with hair. So in hairdressing, you actually have something called temporary process, which is basically when your hydrogen bonds are broken down, and that allows your hair to sort of be more flexible so you can shape it. This could be done with water, or a less severe kind of strength would be by heat. So obviously if you were to curl your hair with water first, then use a brush, you will get a stronger curl than if you were to just iron it. So if somebody here has a lack of, curl strength, you should probably try to curl your hair with a brush first before this step. Anyway, without further ado, we'll go on with the tutorial. So first, comb out your hair. Make sure there's no tangles. Then spray it with a heat protectant. I'm using a GHD one. Then split your hair into 2 halves. Take a section from the bottom of each half and start to curl, going inwards towards the back of your head in a spiral motion, sort of like a spring. Keeping all the curls in the same direction is really important if you want them to mesh well together. Now what I'm doing here is twisting the hair to sort of aerate it a little bit and get it to sit in its shape. You can decide to take sections from both sides, or you can do what I ended up doing and taking a section from one side only and then doing the other side afterwards. Now you'll notice that my hair is a little bit gritty. It's because I've used a dry shampoo beforehand. I find dirty hair, or hair that's not freshly washed, curls better with a little bit of a dry shampoo. Just keep mixing them all into the same group, and if you happen to stumble upon a little loose piece that happened to not get curled, just feel free to go over it. You'll see that I'm not curling right to the root either. That's because I'm intending on styling my hair with pigtails, and it'll just make it more complicated if I was to style from the root itself. And also it's very difficult with a straightening iron. With a curling iron, it is a lot easier, but yeah. Also, you'll notice that sometimes I wrap my hair up in a section, like in the wand. That's because my irons heat up on the outside as well. So it's sort of like it gets curled with that. Now, I'm sectioning my fringe out of the main part of the hair to see what I want to keep out, and then I'm going to put my hair up. Now with this, you can sort of pinch it and pull it to see where you want your hair to sit. Obviously this is a very quick and rushed job for a tutorial, but these pigtails do drop during the day as well, which is why I like to do them so tight, because my hair does like to drop a little bit. As you can see, I'm sort of like positioning the curls where I want them to sit. And yeah,